Hey, cute little corn with the ghetto ponytail. Yes, I'm talking to you. You are jumping in this pot because we are about to make elote. And what I like to do to start making elote is I throw all my corn in a pot for a quick 5-minute boil. Then I take them out, put them on a towel to let them dry before I put them on the grill. Now you can use a real grill or you can use a grill pan. In this case, I'm going to be using a grill pan. You want to get that grill pan nice and greased up. Then you're going to add your corn and rotate every 2 to 3 minutes just so you get a nice char on all of the sides. Once the corn is finished cooking, you put it on a platter, remove that grill pan, and now it's time to dress our corn by making our elote seasoning. I start with grated cotija cheese. To it, I'll add some tahini seasoning, some dried cilantro, and give it a good stir till all of the ingredients are combined. Then I brush on salted butter, not unsalted. Salted is preferred because it acts as a vessel to go ahead and add flavor to those tightly packed kernels. We're going to pour out our elote seasoning so that we can start to coat our elotes, but first we have to brush it in a light coating of mayo. This is going to act as a sticking agent to make sure everything gets completely coated so you have flavor in every single bite. We take our cob and roll it around, making sure to get all of the crevices couldn't get that out, so that we make sure to get all of the crevices, and once that's done we repeat that for all of our remaining cobs. Look at that, nice and seasoned. I am going to be excited to taste this. After everything's done, we save that elote seasoning because you can use it for something else. That is some nicely coated Mexican street corn. Now, if you like to eat it like I do, I add a little hot sauce right before I sink my teeth in, just for a little extra kick. You can also add some lime juice too, just to bring out those individual flavors. Time to taste test. That is one happy girl. To get the full recipe, go to Meikoandthedish.com, and if you try the recipe, let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below.